proven that a well-organized working space and clean house brings a lot of benefits to your mental and physical health. By simply keeping it well-organized, you will become a much happier person, you will be able to focus more on your tasks, or even save your marriage.
Honey, where are my socks?
God. Okay, they are in the cupboard for socks, darling. Can you give me a second and I will show it to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. So, I came across life hacks and this little cubic-shaped PTP300BT labeling machine. And I have to tell you, this is for sure one of the most convenient gadgets I keep at home today. This is the P-Touch Bluetooth label printer by Brother, which you can operate intuitively by pairing it with your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth using the free P-Touch Design and Printer app. It provides you with all the necessary ready-to-print templates and patterns. If you think of organizing your home or office environment, or simply you want to have fun with creating label designs up to your taste, this compact and portable label printer will make it happen. Well, first of all, you can print and design anywhere and anytime. This tiny 115mm wide by 115mm high box weighs only 380 grams, so it is light and small enough to carry around with you. But don't be tricked, as it is also the fastest in its class with a printing speed of 20mm per second. This model needs 6 AAA batteries to power it up, or optionally a 9V power adapter. Well, follow the contents info provided on the box, as the AC adapter is not included here. Still, it works with Android and Apple, allowing you to choose from a customized portfolio of fonts, designs and materials. P-Touch Print and Design app allows you to preview the text and background colors so that you get the display before printing. Saves time and tape. And speaking of tapes, with this printer you get a 12mm black on white laminated tape, but the options here are almost endless. So, if you wish for 12mm gold on black tape, they have it. If you want 9mm black on yellow tape, why not? Strong adhesive black on white? Be my guest. Thank you. Additionally, berry pink, one of my favorites. Additionally, you can select decorative patterns and ribbon satin tapes on premium quality materials, as the tape itself is made using thermal technology. The heat transfer preserves the prints on tape so they don't fade away or separate from numerous surfaces. And the prints are also quite sharp with a print resolution of 180 dpi. TZT tested to the extreme simply means durability and protection against liquids, temperature, absorption or chemicals due to ink incorporated in between 2 protective polyester film layers. In other words, this tape is like your primary school crush. It's going to stay with you forever. And finally, when all the effort you've put to create the label of your life is done and you see it coming out of the exit slot, don't pull it out. Well, just gently press the cutter level. A little hint, but it might save you from destroying your masterpiece label, right? Now, thanks to the P-Touch Cube, you have another life hack at your disposal. Thank you for watching.
Found it!
I told you.